Hello, good morning. Welcome to BSc final year Mathematics, B.R. Ambedkar University. So, linear algebra, vector space, concept of field and the internal external operation. We will discuss the elementary concept. So first one, syllabus, BSc third year Mathematics, paper 6th syllabus. So unit topic SAQ including choice, that means short answer questions. EQ means including choice, easy questions, marks allotted. So first unit vector space 1, second unit vector space 2, third unit linear transformation, fourth unit matrix, characteristic vectors and characteristic values, and a last unit inner product space. So SAQ means vector space 1, 2. EQ means easy questions 2. So total marks 30. Second unit vector space 2. Short answer question 1. Easy question 2. Total marks 25. Linear transformation. Short answer questions 2. Easy questions 2. Total marks 30. Next one, a matrix, short answer questions 1, easy questions 2, and the total marks 25. Last unit, inner product space, short answer questions 2, easy questions 2, total marks 30 and 1. So, before last year topics of group theory concepts, what is the group, what is the monoid, what is the semi group, what is the abelian group. So discuss the previous classes. So first unit topics, vector space 1, discuss the first point, field. So first field means if F is a non-empty contains at least two elements and defined on binary operation, addition and multiplications, then the algebraic structure F plus dot is called a field. It satisfying the following conditions or properties. F plus is an abelian group. Second one, F dot is abelian group. Third one, distributive laws. ఏదైనా ఒక సెట్ అనేది ఫీల్డ్గా మనం చెప్పాలి అనుకుంటే మూడు కండిషన్స్ అనేది ఇక్కడ సాటిస్ఫై చేయాలి. సో ఎఫ్ అనే ఒక సెట్, ఎఫ్ అనేది ఒక నాన్ ఎంప్టీ సెట్ అనేది మనం తీసుకొని ఆ నాన్ ఎంప్టీ సెట్ అనేది ప్లస్ డాట్ అనే ఒక రెండు బైనరీ ఆపరేషన్స్ పైన మనం ఫీల్డ్గా మనం చెప్పాలనుకోండి మూడు కండిషన్స్ అనేది ఇక్కడ సాటిస్ఫై చేయాలి. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్, ఎఫ్ ప్లస్ ఈజ్ అన్ abelian గ్రూప్. సో abelian గ్రూప్స్ యొక్క ప్రాపర్టీస్, ఫస్ట్ వన్ క్లాజర్ లా. If a comma b belongs to f, that implies a plus b belongs to f for all a comma b belongs to f. Second one, associative law. If a comma b comma c belongs to f, then a plus of b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Third one, existence of identity if a belongs to f and 0 belongs to f such that a plus 0 equal to 0 plus a equal to a. Here 0 is called additive identity in capital F. Next one, existence of additive inverse. If A belongs to F, then the register minus A belongs to F, such that A plus of minus A equal to minus A plus A equal to 0. Commutative law. Next one, commutative law. If A comma B belongs to F, that implies A plus B equal to B plus A. So five properties satisfies addition. So the algebraic structure F comma plus is an abelian group. Prominently to F comma dot is abelian group. First one, Clauser law. If A comma B belongs to F, that implies A into B belongs to F. Associative law. If A comma B comma C belongs to F, that implies A into BC equal to AB into C. Next one, multiplication of identity. Multiplication of identity. If A belongs to F and 1 belongs to F, such that A into 1 equal to 1 into A equal to A. Commutative law. If A comma B belongs to F, that implies AB equal to BA.